Yo, what's up, hat people? The car addict back again. Might as well call me the hat addict. I'm back again with another unboxing vid. This is my second hat for the month, and this one I'm really excited for, as always. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. Very limited edition right here. Cleveland Guardians. Yes, sir. With the baby blue underbrim. Look at this logo. I don't think you ever seen that kind of logo before. And of course, you know, always 5950 New Era fitted. Instead of the New Era sign, it actually has this C for Cleveland, but it could be whatever you want it to mean, you know. And my favorite part of it all, just the colorway in general, and just the way that the blue, that light blue with the maroon red, looks so fire. You can match this with a red outfit, whatever outfit you got, blue, just all white, black. Very versatile cap. Of course, you know, we're gonna bend this later on, but if you want to see the tutorial for that, it's already on my playlist. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Cleveland Guardians 5950 New Era cap fitted. Peace.